Selecting Copacker criteria in food manufacturing by SFPM Consulting. Greetings, fellow food manufacturers. Today, we're tackling a vital topic, selecting the right Copacker. I'm Felicia, your trusted guide in the world of food safety and business growth. Let's dive into the key criteria for a successful partnership. Copackers can be game changers, helping you scale your production and reach new markets. It all starts with identifying your unique needs and goals. First, consider your product's complexity and packaging requirements. A compatible Copacker should have the capabilities to meet these specifications, ensuring consistent quality. Compliance is non-negotiable. Make sure your Copacker follows regulatory standards like HACCP, GMP, and other relevant protocols. It's a cornerstone for safety and success. Transparency and communication are vital. Choose a Copacker who values open, frequent communication. This partnership is a two-way street. If this information was valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. If you need personalized assistance with food safety and Copacker selection, call us at 1-236-513-2488.